Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of Maker's Showdown. I've got some exciting news for you all, but first let's have a quick recap. So if you haven't seen it already, follow the link and check out part 1, in which Pam and Joe were set the challenge to make something that spins, and they had to incorporate string or rope or cord of some kind into their build. So I can promise you that both makers have produced some amazing builds, but first I've got some special announcements. So in this episode I'm excited to announce that it's being sponsored by Record Power. They've sent me this fantastic set of bevel edge chisels that I can award as a prize, but there's a twist. The prize is not for the makers, it's for you the viewers, so stay tuned till the end to find out how you could win this lovely set of chisels, plus 2 more great prizes. Yep, that's right, 3 prizes altogether. I know, it's Showdown madness, right? Okay, so back to the build off. In time-honoured tradition, we'll start with ladies first and see what Pam's made. Okay, so I'm sure you'll agree that Pam's absolutely knocked it out of the park. I hope Joe's brought his A game, because he's going to need it. Oh wow, that's another fantastic build. I'm glad I'm not deciding the winner, because I don't think I could choose between the 2 of them. So this is where I pass it over to you guys, the viewers. You need to comment below on who you think should win this showdown. If you want Pam to win, just comment Pam, and if you want Joe to win, just comment Joe. Voting closes on the 18th of November, but before you decide, you should head over to Joe and Pam's channels to check out their full build videos. I'll put the links below. So once all the votes are cast, I'll count them up and the maker with the most votes wins. Simple as that. But remember, only votes below will be counted. Now I know what you're saying, but Dave, how do we win the chisels? Well, I'm coming to that. And yes, I know I said there was another 2 prizes, I'm coming to that as well. So once we've got our winner, I'll randomly select 1 lucky voter from the comments, and that person will win the fantastic Record Power chisel set. But it doesn't end there. Like I said at the start, this is Maker's Showdown, and we've got some real Maker's mayhem, as both Pam and Joe have agreed to give away the items they've made. So at that point I'll select another 2 random voters to become the proud owner of either Pam's revolving planet or Joe's wooden zoetrope. Zoetrope, I think that's how it's pronounced. So there we have it. Head over to their channels now to watch the full build videos. Vote for your winner below by commenting either Pam or Joe, and you could be the proud owner of a set of Record Power chisels or one of these amazing build projects. So for now, thanks for watching, keep making, and happy voting. Cheers guys. So if you haven't seen it already, follow the link and check out... I wrote that wrong. But first I've got some special announcements that I'd like to make. That threw me off on that. I'm on a tradition. We'll start with ladies first. So let's see what Joe came up with. So let's see what Pam came up with. Why did I go like that? That looks weird, doesn't it?
Weird stuff with your hands a lot.
Oh, wow, another fantastic. Oh wow, that's another fantastic build. I'm glad I don't have to choose between the two of them, because I don't think I could choose between the two of them.
Yeah.
But Dave, how do we win the chisels? Well, I'm coming to that. And yes, motherfucking bus.
Yeah, don't put that in.